So today I'm going to use HappyGlitter to create this little sister decal that I'm going to add onto here. So let me show you how I weed away the design from the glitter. So it's already been cut into the back of the heat transfer vinyl. So I'm just going to find whereabouts it is. It's easier to hold it to the light so you can see. Simply cut around your design. And then with your weeder, grab a corner and start to peel away. And it will start to reveal your design. And then we can just simply pick out these little bits here and add it on. And you're ready to pop that under the heat press. So now we've weeded out our design, it's time to add it onto our baby grow. So I'm using today the Happy Press 4 A3 size. So I've set the temperature to 150 degrees and I'm going to press it for 10 seconds. So I'm also using a Happy cushion just to make sure that I get even pressure all over. So I'm going to add my baby grow, add my design onto where I'd like it to be, and then also add release paper over the top just to protect it from the heat. Pop it back under and press for 10 seconds. Just pull it back from under the heat, get rid of my release paper, and now I can just peel away as glitter has a hot peel. There we go.